So hello Aki members, in this video I'm going to show you step by step the procedure of the writing the code. If you don't write the clear screen or get ch, or if you don't include the error file, what does the error give you? Step by step I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, let's write our basic code of printing the hello world, then I will show you step by step. So as you can see, now I have written the basic code of a printing the hello world. So I will show you by running this code. I will show you. So first of all, let me show you the output. As you can see, the output has been successfully printed the hello world. So now if you don't include studio.h, what does it give you the error? I will show you that. So as you can see, I have removed the studio.h. Let's compile it. As you can see, it's giving the error. As you can see, the error function printf as have a prototype, means it wants to say that without include studio.h you can't use printf. So now you have understand that why we use the studio.h. If you don't use studio.h, then you can't print hello world. So now let's see the conio.h. If you don't include, then what's give you the error? So as you can see, I have removed the conio.h. Then now let's compile it. So as you can see, it's give you the two errors. Let's see us that. As you can see that the clr, scr and get ch you can't use without including conio.h. After in third line, as you can see that int main, I have tell you that if you are using int or without using int, then you have to return you have to give the return type 0, as you can see in the last. Now let's see, if you remove the clr scr, then what it shows the output. So let's compile it and let's run it the code. As you can see on the screen, it's showing the hello world 2 time and aq first time. If you remove clear scr from the main function, then it shows the previous code again and again. As you can see on the screen, hello world, then aq. So now let's include the clr scr, then now let's see the output. So now as you can see that now it shows only the aq. It's by clr scr it removed the previous code. So now you know what is the printf and what is the use of and what to use printf, which header file you have to include. Now you all might know. So whatever you want to write, you have to write inside the printf function. So now let's see get ch. What happen if you don't include the get ch? So first of all, I will remove it, then I will show you what it shows the output. So let's compile it and let's run it. As you can see, it does not show any output. Get ch help us to show the output. It holds the screen. If you don't use get ch, then it does not show you the output. It is the use of a get ch is to show the output. So let's compile it and let's run it the code. So as you can see, it does not show the output. So now let's include the get ch. Now we have included the get ch. Now as you can see, it shows the output. So now in the last, let's remove the return 0. If you does not type return 0, then what is give the error? So I have removed the return 0. So as you can see in the screen, it shows the warning. So as you can see in the warning, function should return a value. So you have to write the return type. It is not compulsory that you have to give the 0. You can give any number as your own wish. Just like example, if you can give the return 6 or 7, any number, whatever you want to give. So now by this video, you all might know all about the basic structure of a C language. What is the use of a clear screen, get ch, printf, int main, void main, all. So this is all the basic about this C language. So in next video we'll see the comment.